Hello, welcome back to part 2. Sorry about part 1, I ran out of battery. Since I was trying to film part 1, I've put the rainwater glass back outside to collect more rainwater. But if you have a look here, I've got 3 glasses of water, and I hope you'll agree with me that they are the same level. Okay? Now, I've built this little apparatus over here where I've got a lamp, a little strip of ABS plastic just covering up so that only the light at the bottom of the glasses gets caught. And over here I have a voltmeter that's telling me my voltage reading. So if I switch that on now, you'll notice that the voltage meter reading is shooting up. Okay. So we've got a reading of about 0.78, 0.78 volts when there's nothing there. If I put the spring water in between the photocell and the lamp, I get a reading of 0.92, 0.93, something like that. Okay. When I use the tap water, I get a reading of 0.96. With the deionized water, I get a reading of 0.93. And I did knock that just a second ago, so I'm going to test the spring water again. I'm getting a reading of 0.1 volt. So 0.1 volt for that, or 0.99, 99 for the spring water. .97 for the tap, for the deionized. .06 now. As you see, it's not a very good test. But what Plaguerat was trying to tell me was I really need to be using a bank of LEDs instead of a lamp at the range of about 535 nanometers, and I need to be adding to each of the solutions this orocarboxylic acid, ammonia orocarboxylic acid I think it is, and then I can get a very, very accurate reading of the alumina particle concentration on each of these, which is really what I'm trying to look for. As I said, I'm trying to corroborate evidence of a variety of things, one of which is the amount of rainfall compared with the number of planes going over my head. The other thing is what is the concentration of the impurities, primarily the aluminium, based on the other documentary about chemtrails. Evidence was trying to say that aluminium was the main thing that was being rained down on us. And also, is there a link between the actual planes themselves leaking this and it's not just some other environmental factor? Okay, this is just the basis of the apparatus. I mean, okay, yeah, sure, I'm only shining ordinary light through it, but I can see already that there are a number of ways how I could improve it. I could have a square glass instead of a round one, because as you see, like if I move the glass just slightly left and right, yeah, I get slightly different readings, you see. So I really need to have an apparatus that there's only one way it could possibly slot in, like just like an SD card or something. I need to figure out ways of making sure that the sensor and the light emitter are not movable, because when I knocked that, you'll notice that the reading just changed slightly. So I really need to build myself some sort of little, my own little spectrometer, I suppose. And also I think it would be better if I collected rainwater from a variety of different sources around the town I live in, rather than just in my back garden, because maybe there's other contaminants in my back garden that's going to give me spurious data. I'd love to hear what you think and how I can improve my project. Thanks very much for listening.